Yup, I'm back. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while actually. Bruh. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have an exciting episode lined up for you. I'll be diving into the world of real car mods for BeamNG.drive. And also I'm gonna be addressing some of the concerns raised by some of you regarding these mods. And we're gonna discuss if these mods are actually any good, or if they are just troublemakers that I guess are gonna install viruses onto your computer. You're gonna find out by continuing to watch. So I was bored, and I wanted to get some new mods for BeamNG. So I just went online and searched for some cars. And this was the first result, Modland. I've actually heard a lot of bad things about this site, and also the mods that you can download from there. But I want to try them out and give you an honest opinion, and maybe even some advice if you want to get some mods for yourself. But before we start, let's address those scary virus rumors. FYI, I've just got my firewalls activated, and let's have a challenge. I want to see how many viruses I get until the end of this video. If you want to, you can even leave a guess in the comments, but of course don't cheat by skipping. That said, let's get into it. Okay, firstly, let's just click and see what's... Oh, well, I'm just gonna deactivate my ad blocker so the site can make some money off of me. Okay, let's just sort it by the date published. So I guess these are the newest cars. And I don't know, maybe search up for a car brand, BMW. Okay, we have an X5 right here. Oh, doesn't look that good, but we're gonna try and find something that has 5 stars. Okay, this M5 F90. It's fine. We're gonna try and download this BMW and see if we can use it. Okay, we're gonna drag and drop the mod to my mods folder, and then just launch BeamNG and see if it works. Okay, we're in, and let's see if it moved correctly. Yes, it's in. Oh, and it seems like we have a lot of configurations, 18. Damn. It took a fat minute to load, but the model seems quite good. Let's just start it. Okay, I like it. Let's see the interior. The model seems to be... I don't know what game this is from, but I'm pretty sure they took it from some other game because it's so damn detailed. You cannot interact with the interior, but I mean, that's not that big of a deal. Let's see if the dials work though. We have a heads-up display. It's the first car I've seen with that. Damn. This car is just perfect. Okay, let's do a donut. Oh shit. And considering what, it's been published like 2 days ago, 3 days ago, I can't remember. Damn, it looks fantastic. It also has the like entertainment screens on the back. Okay, we have a stage 3. Let's just see how fast this thing is. And look at that. Oh my. That's a clean BMW. Damn. Okay. I think it's also supercharged. That was clean. It's way too loud. But still, it's so damn detailed. Look, it also has like Alcantara steering wheel. I'm very impressed with this mod. Okay, let's just try and download another one. Okay, let's sort it by downloads, I guess. So we're gonna get the mods that have been downloaded the most. I suspect these are kind of the best ones. And let's search for a Touareg. Okay, we have a few Golf mods. Let's see how this Golf 7.5, it seems to be quite nice. It seems to be the restyling with like LED lights. Let's try and download it. Okay, it redirected us to this ModsFire site, but it seems to be safe. The connection is secure. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna generate the link. Of course, we have yeah, and we're gonna click on download. Okay, I've actually downloaded a few mods just because I don't want this to be a 20-minute long video. And I've downloaded this Volkswagen Golf. I've managed to download this Touareg and also this Volvo just to see how it is. But we're gonna start with this Golf just to see what it is like. Okay, the model seems to be good. It's pretty realistic actually. I've been in a few Golfs and it looks exactly like this. I mean, the buttons here are empty, but it's not that big of a deal. The dials work, and they are actually the 7.5 dials. I'm impressed by this Golf too. I mean, it's great. Though I want to see if there are any vehicle configurations in this menu right here. Save and load. Oh, okay, we have a few. Oh, we also have the Golf R. We do have like a carbon fiber hood. Oh, and we also have these like restyling wheels. Sorry, restyling tail lights. Damn. I can't find a bad mod, it's crazy. This one's not that perfect. Most all of the sounds work. Everything's animated. I can't find a bad one, it's crazy. Okay, we're gonna try and see the Volvo mod. Just because I've already used it a few times and I can tell it's not that great of a mod. I'm gonna show it to you though. And it's about to crash my game. Nice. This one's a bit weird. The model is good, but we don't have any actual headlights. And it seems like there's a lot of bloom. The headlights like glare a lot, so it's not great. And what's going on with the interior? The interior is quite dark. I assume, yeah, it's not that well modeled. And also look at those mirrors. Those are hideous. Oh yeah, and the dials are just a screenshot. Okay. It doesn't have many features. And I assume the screen is gonna turn orange as soon as I crash. Okay, not even that. It just doesn't move. It's a... Oh, damn. Okay, I got it. It's not great. 2 out of 3. Let's test one last one and then we're gonna wrap this video up. Okay, we're now gonna try out the Touareg we've downloaded here. And okay, we have a few configs. I'm gonna spawn the standard. Sure, yeah, of course. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this one. We don't have a speedometer. Let's see another one. Maybe this config has a not working engine or something. Let's just test the Opera. Doesn't seem to work either. We have like the steering wheel buttons. We have different textures here on the door. The mirrors are quite realistic. It's such a shame. Let's see if we can fix it. Boys, it's working. Oh, this engine sounds great. Yeah, the wheels are kind of shaking. And the taillights don't seem to work. It's kind of a good mod, you know. Of course you have to put an engine in it, but it's not bad. It's like 10 seconds and you have a working car. Okay, it's good. Hazard lights came on. Yeah, it's none of those bootleg mods. Well, I'm impressed by all of these. Either I've been very lucky, but I've tried out 4 of them, and these are just a few that I've actually downloaded. I've also downloaded a few off camera, and they all seem to work fine. Of course, they're not perfect, but we have to consider that they are not dev made. They're just made by the community and these people that chose to create these mods. So I have a lot of respect for them. I think we can wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed. Oh wait, we have to check if I got any viruses. Wait a second. We have no notifications and everything seems to be alright. We're not using that much of our resources. No, I think we're good. So we've tried out 4 mods and they pretty much all were quite good, and we haven't gotten any viruses. That's a win in my book. And that goes to show that you just have to watch out for what mods you actually download, and as long as you don't care about those quite weird ads, it's fine. Of course, I've only downloaded mods from Modland, but I think as long as you check out the site and it doesn't look sketchy or anything, you should be good. So yeah, I hope you find a lot of interesting mods that suit you and you have a lot of fun playing with them. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.